What's up, guys? Dave here with the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Very good car. See our previous videos, we've been doing a few little cleanups and miscellaneous little things to it, but I just want to show you real quick how to get to the spare tire. Okay, first unlock the vehicle, of course. Then the button is underneath here. Hit that button, tailgate will raise up. And right here, we'll pull that up and I'll show you how to get to do that. Okay, we'll pull this guy up. Now, notice there's an awesome cubby hole under here also that you can store stuff. So you can actually push this door all the way up and it'll hold itself up like that. But to get this cubby hole out, you've got 4 nuts right here and you'll just loosen them. Loosen 4 of these guys. I've already done it just to save time. But these little nuts right here, pull those out. Okay, now we need to pull this whole cubby bin out to expose the spare tire. And there's a handle right here, so you can lower this door back down, pull up, and just take it out. Set it off to the side, and there's your spare tire. Notice the jack also. Jack is here, but to remove the spare tire, just undo this large nut. Just spin her off right there and set her to the side. Take out the jack, which is attached to this little foam mold. Set it off to the side, and then the spare tire comes right out. Like so. It's pretty heavy. It's a full-size booger, so it's big. Now, if you have not done this in several years, I highly recommend you check the pressure inside this tire. It needs to be about 60 psi. There's your valve stem. Now, unfortunately, you can't get to it without taking the tire out. You'd think they'd put the valve stem where you could access it without removing it. But anyway, that's how you remove it. 60 psi. A lot of people never check that, and that's why you'll see them with a spare tire on, and then the spare goes flat because it's only got like 20 or 25 psi. It needs 60. Okay, and then to put it back in, just reverse what you've done. Layer in there like that. Put your jack assembly back in like that. Spin the nut back on. Make sure it's good and snug. Okay. Then take your big door that we removed. Here it is. Now it's got flaps on the back of it. And it hooks into these little areas here. So make sure it's hooked in there. But see these flaps on the back? They need to be tipped up. Okay, so just hold them up like that. Layer down in there. Like so. Then just make sure that it lines up on those studs where the nuts are located. And screw your 4 little nuts back down. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple, no big deal. Once again, it's a 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This is the LS model. And we have other videos about this car and tons of other cars and motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, chainsaws, leaf blowers, trimmers, fixing stuff around the house, Honda Goldwing, Harley Davidsons, all kinds of stuff on our channel, Cadillac ATSV. So scan through our channel. We have 2 YouTube channels, 1 Facebook page. We're on eBay and Amazon under Horsepower House. So Google Horsepower House, and we sell mostly motorcycle related parts and tools. So check that out as well. Anyway, my name is Dave, and check out our other videos in the future. So subscribe, like, follow, comment, and we hope to see you all again soon. Y'all have a good day.